Welcome to 3D Academy. If you are passionate about architectural design and dream of creating stunning virtual homes, then you are in the right place. Home Builder 3 is a powerful add-on for Blender that allows you to effortlessly build and design realistic homes with ease. Whether you are an architect, interior designer, or simply an enthusiast with a creative vision, Home Builder 3 provides you with a comprehensive set of tools to bring your ideas to life. With its intuitive interface and robust features, you can quickly generate detailed floor plans, construct walls, add windows and doors, and furnish your virtual space with a vast library of furniture and accessories. How to install Home Builder 3. Home Builder is now a standard add-on to Blender, so you can install it just like any other add-on. In Google, search for Home Builder Blender. Then go to the site, creativedesigner3d.com. Download the latest version of Blender. Download the Home Builder add-on. Edit Preferences. In the Add-on tab, click Install in the top right corner. Browse to the home_builder3.zip file you downloaded and click Install Add-on. Check the box next to the Home Builder add-on to enable it. I push updates using the add-on Auto Updater. Let's start by pressing in and look for the Home Builder tab. Let's say we want to build a wall with height of 3 meters. And thickness of 0.15 m. Then press the drywall button. Let's say we want 5 meters. Type 5,000, then enter. Type 8,000 for 8 meters. Then 5,000 for 5 meters again. Then press C to close. Let's add a plane. Press Shift A, then under Mesh select Plane. Let's just put it on the center of the room. Okay, now let's try to add kitchen cabinets to this model I downloaded from Sketchfab. Go to the desired view to start adding our cabinets. Go to the Cabinets tab. And let's look for a tall cabinet? Notice it will try to automatically find the wall, and will look for a place to snap. Then I'll change it to the size that I like. Let's add a double base cabinet, and snap it to the face of the other cabinet. Now let's add a range. Choose the appliance drop-down. Now I will add an upper cabinet. The trick here is to select the top of the base cabinet so it will align correctly the upper cabinet. We will add a ref. Now I will show you how to change the material of the cabinets. Choose the materials from the cabinet drop-down. Select the desired materials, then drag it to the cabinets. Then a pop-up window will appear asking you what you want to change. You can change the individual cabinet, but we can also change the overall cabinets by pressing the Update All. Nice. Let's also change the countertop to white for more modern look. Perfect. In summary, Home Builder 3 for Blender Add-ons is a game-changer for architectural design and home building. With its intuitive interface, comprehensive feature set, and strong emphasis on user experience, this add-on empowers users to create stunning, realistic 3D models of homes with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Whether you are a professional architect or an aspiring designer, Home Builder 3 opens up a world of possibilities, enabling you to transform your architectural visions into tangible virtual realities. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming 3D tutorials. Thanks and bye.